Hey everyone, it's time to put your Excel skills to the test with the latest GoSkills challenge. With us today is our Excel expert Claudia Buckley. Check out her challenge and good luck.
Welcome to a new year of Excel challenges and solutions. So here's my challenge today. I copied this list of summer and winter Olympic Games host countries and the cities onto this worksheet. And my job is to find out which countries have hosted an Olympic tournament game only once ever. And I want to show the name of the city, the year, and whether the games were winter or summer games. Now, I figured out that I'll probably be using the unique function, but then what other functions might be useful for a task like this? Do you think we should use the filter function or something else? And what options should we be applying to get the results that we want? So it's a new year and we have new rules. There's no need to wait until next week when I reveal my solution. You can check it out right now. But first, I prefer if you download the file, try it out for yourself, and let's talk. Tell me how you solve this problem and how your solution is different from mine.
So, do you have what it takes to successfully complete this challenge? To get started, click on the link in the description and download the files you need. Let us know your progress or any suggestions you might have in the comments section below. Or even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your approach. Link in the description. And if you want to know Claudia's solution, subscribe to this channel. And when we release the solution video, you'll get the full step-by-step rundown of how to solve the challenge. So good luck, everyone.